What is the important thing? When we have greater desire to learn Kriya Yoga and in this life to reach perfection, that we should realize that we have become prophet. If we have decided it firmly, then without any doubt, we will try to practice in quality. How to practice in quality? We will start practicing it, listening it, reading it. We will keep on searching different ways how to practice in quality. Then we will realize, yes, Mahavatar Baba said that the knowledge what I am imparting you, giving you, the same knowledge was given by one of the greatest prophet, Krishna, to Arjuna. It means this is the teaching of the Krishna. Krishna Bhagavan has taught the same thing. Then what was his teaching? In order to learn in detail, then we need Mahabharata. In Mahabharata you will find there are dual concepts, devil consciousness, angel consciousness. Angelic consciousness were present in the aura of Dhrishtadyumna. And Dhrishtadyumna was son of Drupad. Before understanding this, how to create Dhrishtadyumna consciousness, you have to be in the consciousness of Drupad. Then who was Drupad at the time of Krishna? Because God is omnipresent. In God there exists past, present, future, all. Then here God exists, God has become your presence, my presence, God has become the whole universe. Then everywhere you will find Drupad. What is the meaning of Drupad? What is the idea behind Drupad? There was a great master, and whose work was such great height that he was named by his work. What kind of work he was doing? What was the style? To do as never before. He was using his all power of senses, power of mind, power of reasoning, all together. He was using it and tried to do the work. This is called Drupad. Dhru means fast. Pad means activity, all kind of work. Leg walking in the best way, arm working in the best way, eyes having the power of vision in the best way, ear having the power of vision in the best way. This is called in the best way. How to work in the best way? If you practice recharging 1 to 42 steps, if you are following all steps sincerely, if you can complete between 20 to 25 minutes without missing any point, then you are able to create Drupad consciousness within. When Drupad consciousness is created, then you will find our sense organs, organ of actions, and mind and reasoning all are one. When all are one, then we will have a special force inside. That force is known as force created by divine friction. What is the divine friction? When indriyas, mind and reasoning power, they are coming closer and closer, we get friction force. That friction force is known as Dhrishtadyumna. Name Dhrishtadyumna explains. Drisht means power. Drisht means gharshan. Gharshan means friction. Drisht means friction and Dyumna means power. When you are reducing distance between indriyas, mind and reasoning, then we develop a force. That force is coming out of this great activity which is called divine friction. Then we have Dhrishtadyumna consciousness. Where is Dhrishtadyumna consciousness? You will find all angelic power will be awakened. Within a head and spine, there are angelic power placed in 7 places. Moment you practice is standing recharging with the highest speed without missing any point. You have to complete each step with the number prescribed and complete maximum in 25 minutes. Then you will develop Dhrishtadyumna consciousness. Then you will find fast awakening of all 7 divine centers within head and spine. The moment you will find more and more awakening, every day you will find more willpower, more knowledge, more peace, more joy, more confidence, a state of fearlessness. That is what we want. The moment you have this, then this is decided. in this life, you will have your successful journey, you will be prophet. But it is up to you how you will learn sincerely. Therefore, I have decided Saturday, Sunday, 4 classes will be dedicated to explain recharging step by step sincerely. It will be recorded, audio and video. If you will be interested, it will be given to you. We can charge ourselves with the true idea, true thought and true concept. What is the true idea? That God alone exists. It means it is God who has become the holy universe. Then select the nearest of near place, that is our own existence head to toes. Accept it visible presence of God.